Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is the winner of the poll. I'm pretty excited about this kit. I really am. I've had this kit in the collection for a while. I had to sell some of the cars here a while back to pay for medical bills, but this one I wanted to save, and I'm pretty happy I did. We're going to paint it box stock. The black looks cool. I'm really excited about it. So that's what we're going to do here. I got a couple of mods for it. We're going to use the stock motor. Always start with that, and then we'll upgrade as we need. Probably another Holmes motor. Just depends on how I feel the car needs, if I want more power or less. Might do a torque tuned in it. We don't know. I got lots of motors out there. I'm going to do hex head hardware on this one because I don't want to do the grabber screws. I think this deserves that. The box is going to go right there. So as time goes, we'll get more as we go on. Watch for another poll, by the way, because I'm going to be ordering cars again here fairly soon. I didn't have to order this because I had it. So I'll throw another poll up for the end of the month, and then we'll do another one. So this will be coming along soon. Let's unbox this thing. I'm going to have you sit right here, and we'll go through this and take it out there and start working on it. We're going to take the build slow. I want to kind of do a few steps and talk about it and have several videos because I like this car. So we're going to get started on it. Yeah, I'm real excited about this kit. Pretty excited. Let's rip this thing open. See, I don't even think I'd had a knife. I think when I picked it up, it had a little cut right here that's damaged the box a bit. There's a little hole over here, so I don't even need to do that. We're just gonna rip it apart here. Get this covering off. It's always fun to open a new kit, especially one you really like and have had it out there wanting to do this for many years, and I get to share it with you. So, oops, didn't mean to bump you over there. Yeah, here we go. Come on, let go. There we go. Kind of an air seal in there. You can see it sucking in the top of the box. Okay. Wild One off-roader. Body set right here. Antenna tube. Yeah. Pretty exciting. This is the driver. Pretty neat there. Here's the chassis. Yeah, this is neat. Move that over there. Box of stuff, we'll get to that in a second. And this is the instructions here. We've got our, yeah, let's have a look, see. Oh, yeah. Oh, I forgot. The servo. I got to order a new one because I had one saved for this car, and I ended up putting it in the man array, and because I was upgrading that. I'm editing the footage on that right now, so you'll see that pretty soon. But I got to get one of them coming because I got to get one of them coming. Move that aside. We got some bearings here. They must have included that for the gearbox, which is pretty neat. So that's good. Less bearings for us to buy. Driver's helmet, pretty neat looking. Yeah. And then I might do a light kit. I've got a lot of crawler parts with various sizes of these light buckets that are open. You can put a light in it really well. And then I got some that will go on the back of the car too. So let's flip this around. The cage, the chassis. Not bad, not bad. Wheels, front wheels, rear wheels. Get them out of the way. And then random parts here. This is it looked like the battery ends, and this is the hexes and the motor cover thing for the transmission back there. So the box that goes in the back. And the black parts here, this is front suspension arms, the gear case, and the rear arms. Pretty nice. Tamiya ESC. This is an older kit, like I said, so I've got a 1060 for it. Anybody wants some of these? I got a bunch. So what is this one? This is probably 105. What does it say? 105 BK. I think it's the what's the number of the one that, put in the comments, what's the one that has the can control a brushless motor? That's not this. Is it this one? No, that's not this one. Just red or yellow and blue. So one of those controls a brushless motor. Is it the 108? I can't remember. Here's the tires. Pretty neat. Front tires. These rear tires we've seen before. And that's basically it. What we got left in here is this might go together quicker than I thought. Here's the decal set. And let's open this box here. We can see all the hardware. Get all happy about that. Bag C. Bag B. This looks like some of the driveline, the shock pieces, some of the things like that. Drive axles. Bag A. This is probably for the front end here. Those smaller shocks. These are the shock towers there. Probably a support piece that goes across the front of the car. What shock? We got red oil in this one. And then we got our gear set. Not a lot of gears in this one. It's pretty small. Servo saver. These are the rear hubs that work with those wheels. And the bumper. And of course, the silver can motor, which I'm not even going to throw this in. I'm going to probably use the one I took out of the Manta Ray and throw that in it because I didn't hurt it too bad. It ran well. We'll just save this one for something else. Reuse that motor for a minute until we decide what we want to do. I might do a torque tune. Shock pistons here. And that is the kit. Time to box it up. And let's take it out there. And we're going to start on this thing right away. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you next time.